Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses extreme southeastern Wyoming, far southwestern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, much of Kansas actually, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, north central Oklahoma, and the northeastern part of the Texas Panhandle. The slight tomorrow encompasses Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Aurora, Colorado. There are two marginals for tomorrow, one covering most of Minnesota, I should say western half of Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, southeastern Wyoming, most of Nebraska, parts of Colorado, parts of Kansas, northeastern New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, southern and eastern Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. The second marginal tomorrow covers eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, and southern Delaware. The marginals tomorrow include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Norfolk, Virginia, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Chesapeake, Virginia. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, a tiny bit of west central Nebraska, and eastern Colorado. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Greeley, Colorado, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Evans, Colorado, Windsor, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. So, within the 2%, there could be a brief EF0 tornado in this area tomorrow. It's very possible we see an EF0, can't run EF1 at max. Okay? Go to tomorrow's wind threat now. There is a 15% chance for damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering east central Colorado, much of Kansas, very tiny bit of Nebraska, very tiny, it barely includes Nebraska at all. Parts of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, the northeastern part of the Panhandle of Texas, and north central Oklahoma. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Edmond, Oklahoma, and Midway City, Oklahoma. And there are two areas where we have, wait, what did I say again? Oh yeah. So, I don't know if I read the wrong area, but hold on, let me go over this again. The 15% wind risk tomorrow includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Edmond, Oklahoma, and Midway City, Oklahoma. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southeastern Wyoming, southern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, the very far extreme northeastern corner of New Mexico, parts of Kansas, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, the Texas Panhandle, southern and eastern Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and parts of Arkansas. The second 5% wind risk tomorrow covers eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, and southern Delaware. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Denver, Colorado, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Aurora, Colorado, Norfolk, Virginia, and Chesapeake, Virginia. Now, if you look at a black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane-force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed is the highest potential for thunderstorm wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour tomorrow. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And now for tomorrow's hail risk. There is a 15% chance of hail reaching or exceeding an inch in diameter. Alright? Wait. Oh, sorry, I got mixed up there. Sorry, let me read that again. So, there is a 15% hail risk tomorrow encompassing far southeastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, and northwestern Kansas. The 15%... Oh, really? Come on. There we go. There is The 15% hail risk tomorrow includes Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Thornton, Colorado. There's a 5% hail risk tomorrow covering southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, the western half of Oklahoma, most of Kansas, most of Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, eastern South Dakota, eastern North Dakota, and much of Minnesota, the western half of Minnesota, I should say. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Amarillo, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index, alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow, alright? The black dashed is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow within the black dashed, alright? Areas outside the black dashed are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. The black dashed area tomorrow includes Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Amarillo, Texas, and Lakewood, Colorado. In summary, scattered severe storms capable of hail in excess of 2 inches and winds greater than 75 miles per hour are expected from the central high plains into parts of the central and southern plains Tuesday and Tuesday night. Isolated severe storms capable of mainly hail are possible across the northern plains into the upper Mississippi Valley. Isolated severe storms capable of damaging winds also appear possible from the Delmarva into eastern North Carolina. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Regardless if you're in the marginal or the slight, since you never know what those can pull off. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.